When addressing the accessibility of a custom graphic, such as an image created by adding shapes and lines to a slide in PowerPoint, you might realize upon opening the accessibility checker that the graphic you've created is actually many layers of content. When assistive technology such as a screen reader comes to this slide, it will access each object one at a time to read each one's alternative text. You could spend time writing alternative text for each item you've placed on the slide. You'd need to be careful and very granular about what you say, because out of context of the larger image, hearing that this is a triangle or that this is an arrow won't make much sense to someone unable to see the image. What you really need in this situation is for the assistive technology user to have access to a single image, just as what a visual learner would see. So what we'll need to do is collapse these many layers into a single image. There's a couple of ways you can do that, but here's the quickest. We'll start with a slide that contains our creation, then we'll go to File and Save As. Pick a location for the image to go, give it a name, and then for the type of file, locate and select PNG, which is a type of image file. Click Save, and PowerPoint will ask you if you want to save all of your slides as PNG files, or is it just this one you'd like to save? We'll select just this one, and PowerPoint creates the image file. Now, back in PowerPoint, my original creation can be deleted, but if you think you might need to edit your custom graphic in the future, it'll be a good idea to keep it in a separate file from the presentation you'll share with your students. That way, an assistive technology user will not inadvertently access that slide. In our example, we're done with the graphic, so we'll delete it by selecting the slide and pressing Delete on the keyboard. On a new slide, I'll click the Pictures icon and locate the PNG file we saved earlier. Now, we're ready to give this single image an alternative text that would be suitable for replacing the whole image rather than many pieces of it.